Okay, so if you've already registered your order, go ahead and click on Make a Claim. And then on the following page, enter the email address that you used to register that order originally. And once you have the email address entered, go ahead and click Submit. And on submission, we will again send you a verification code just like we did when you registered. So go check your email inbox, and once you have that registration code or verification code rather, go ahead and paste it in this text box and hit submit. We're going to show you a brief outline of the details of the order. You can click on View Items to find the rest of the details. If there were more than one order, you would see them all listed there, and you could click View Items on the one that you want. Once you find what you're looking for here, it'll say the quantity of the item that you ordered and the item or the number that you can claim. You indicate the number that you're requesting the claim for, hit submit, and then we're going to give you the information back that you provided at your warranty registration. If you would like to change that, you may do so. You can also choose to expedite your shipment if you like. It does not cost anything. We'd appreciate it if you don't expedite if you don't need to, because it does cost us money. But if you do need that, we are happy to do it for free. Go ahead and submit that, and then check that the information is all correct. Make sure that we're shipping it to the right place. Make sure that if you want it expedited, that you're getting expedited, and make sure that you've chosen the correct item and the correct quantity for your replacement, and then finalize your claim. At that point, you're done. You receive the claim ID, and you receive a discount code that you can use for another order. And again, it just confirms all the details of your warranty claim. So at that point, you are all set, and you should receive your replacement items very soon.